Welcome back to our second video. I hope you are doing very well. In this video, we'll explore emotion and social development during adolescence and identify how emotion, peer, relationship, and environment influence can impact our behavior and decision making. Emotion development refers to how we learn to recognize, express, and manage our feelings. During adolescence, physical and brain changes can result in mood swings, high sensitivity to stress, or strong emotional reaction. Thus, we must learn how to regulate our emotion to develop a stronger relationship and make healthier decisions. Emotion relationship, therefore, refers to an individual's ability to manage emotion in healthy and productive ways. For example, when a person can regulate their emotion, they effectively handle stress, solve problems, and communicate appropriately. However, this is not always possible since the brain is still developing during adolescence. During adolescence with peers or family members, it is possible for an adolescent to react emotionally. Adolescents also struggle with stress related to academics, friendship, their physical appearance, and even inability to meet social expectations. Adolescents therefore need to develop healthier coping skills to avoid unhealthy behavior such as isolation, aggressiveness, or risk decision making. In adolescence, development is important to understand concepts such as peer influence and social relationship. Most teenagers seek acceptance, belonging, and improvement for their peers. While they have positive peer relationship, the teenager have system of support and can develop good social connection. However, negative peer influence is detrimental to the development and healthy behavior. For example, peers can encourage an individual to engage in risk and unhealthy behavior, such as defying authority or abusing drugs. Additionally, environment's influence impact adolescent behavior and decision making. Environmental influence are characterized by family relationship, school environment, social media, community expectation, and even culture. These shapes a person's attitudes and behavior. For instance, social media can provide support and access to educational contents, positive influence a person. However, social media can also create unrealistic expectations which negatively affect a person's self-esteem, body image, and mental health. Since adolescence faces numerous emotions and social influence, they need to develop healthy coping skills. Coping skills are strategies that people use to manage stress and emotion. An example of a healthy coping skills include talking to a trusted adult, exercising, journalism, practice, mindful, and engaging in hobbies. Adolescents also needs to develop effective decision-making skills. These involve identifying appropriate choices, consider alternate, evaluate consequence, assessing risk, and making decisions that align with one's values and goals. In this lesson, we have explored how and understanding emotion and social development can impact adolescents to recognize their emotion, relationship, and environment impact their behavior. The awareness is important for self-confidence, effective communication, and emotion well-being. As we end this lesson, I would like to consider the healthy coping strategies you can employ in your day-to-day activities and how you can leverage social relationship to make better decisions. Thank you all.